Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming up with an error message on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This says give us a minute. We're updating and it says that it should be ready to use again shortly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. Give it a moment here. And this should hopefully reset the Microsoft Store, and you should be able to just gain back access to your apps and whatnot. So pretty straightforward, and hopefully that would have resolved the problem. If not, we can go ahead and attempt to open up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompts. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC, followed by a space, /scannow. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a little bit of time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that one is done, I'm going to have another command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. It's a DISM command. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the scan. Like the first one, it should take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your issue and you should be good to go, and hopefully the app message should no longer be appearing. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.